to another YouTube video, and as you can tell by the shitty sound quality, we are in my bathroom again. And also because my hair is in its hideous natural state, you will be able to tell that this is probably a hair tutorial. So the last one I did, I think, was putting up my death hawk, which I hope a lot of people found useful. Today I'm going to show you how to do Liberty spikes, which is not a way that I wear my hair very often, because it gets caught on a lot of stuff, but it looks really badass. And for special occasions, I do like to wear my hair like that. So usually I just use hairspray for my normal death hawk look, but for this I have got to be glued spiking gel, which works really, really well. I find the gel works way better for Liberty spikes. But of course we also have hairspray as a backup because, you know, hairspray is always good. And we have a teasing brush. And that is all we need to start this. So basically, I don't have super thick hair. When I do this for my partner, he gets to have more Liberty spikes than me because his hair is way thicker and his spikes don't look as thin. But I find about 4 Liberty spikes works well for me, and then I usually put a braid at the bottom. So basically, I just usually tease my hair just a little bit. Just a little, not a lot, just to give it a good, you know, base structure. Okay, so after you're done the teasing, you basically just divide your hair into sections. So I sort of start at the front and comb through. They don't have to be exact, like this isn't an exact science. It's just like whatever. That looks about good. Put some gel in your hand. And then get this section real good. So try to get all the sides of the spike. Make sure you got a good coating of gel on there. And then blow dry. Feels pretty good. It's still a little wobbly at the bottom. Might put a little more gel on that. And right now I look like a unicorn. A badass unicorn. So basically you just repeat that process all the way back. I should also say that this makes your hands really sticky and also your hairdryer really sticky. I have to wipe off my hairdryer like every time after I do this. So I'm going to just take the back part here. The first time I did this, I made this a spike as well, but it kept getting caught on my collars and like poking stuff, so I was like, fuck it, and I just gave up and made it a rat tail. And now I actually really like it, so now I just braid the bottom part. Although braiding behind your head is a little interesting. Perfect. I'm going to get a teeny tiny black elastic. And then I just leave the bottom braided like that. So now I'm just going to give it a final coat of hairspray. Ugh, sticky. anyways, there you have it. This is my Liberty spikes, such as they are. You know, this is just the way I do them. I don't know if anybody else has any tips or tricks, but this is what I've found best works for me because my hair is curly and also my hair is not particularly thick. So this seems to be what works best for me to do this. Anyways, if you liked this video, and I hope you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm under Madame Absinthe. It's Madame_Absinthe, which is where I usually post my outfit pictures. And on Twitter, same thing, Madame_Absinthe. If you want to see my work in progress sewing stuff and occasionally pictures of my makeup, that's where I do that. If you have any other videos or tutorials you'd like to see me do, please leave them in the comments and I will try to do them for you as soon as I can. So please like, please subscribe, and hopefully I will be able to make more videos for you shortly.